So hello everyone, I welcome you all to this another amazing video of the Make Per Click. So you want to know how you can create a website, even that for free, that is free domain, free hosting, and use WordPress to make your website? You have clicked on the most apt video that is out there on the internet. Before beginning, if you like anything about this video, then there is actually a button down there to express that feeling. Click on that button, it will mean a lot. And if you're someone who want to grow in your life, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. Having able to build a website for completely free helped me in my learning experience, as when I was starting out and being a student, I didn't have much money to put into domains and hostings. If you are a beginner and you want to learn, or even if you have a small business and you just want to have an online presence on the internet, then yeah, it's the right method for you. Having said that, it's not all boon. As my grandmother would say, कि दुनिया में कुछ मुफ्त में नहीं मिलेला, समझ लो. So anything that comes for free actually costs you something. May not be monetarily, but it will cost you something. So it's not all a great experience building a website for free. You will face glitches. Your website might frequently go down. It happens with me a lot. All the websites that I've made for free, sometimes I just give the link to someone and they open it and they call me, bhai ye to khul hi nahi rahi hai. The experience of building the website on this platform for free is, it's not a very roses on the bed kind of an experience. So having known all the bones and banes, it's still worth a try. So without wasting any time, let's just come to my screen so that I can actually show you how exactly you do that. So you have to come to your Chrome browser and type in and come to this website called infinityfree.net. So and log in with your Gmail ID. With one Gmail ID you can make 3 websites. So let's create an account from scratch. Here you write your business name. Let's say I want to make a website for this channel, Make Per Click. And as I said, nothing comes for free. So with the domain name, you won't be getting a very professional kind of domain. It will add its own extension to it, which of course doesn't seem much professional. So I'd use this one. Here we have our domain, and I'll just going to skip this part. All right, and click on finish. So here my domain is now built. This is the domain, makeperclicks.apz.com, and you have to click on control panel. As you can see here, it's written that we are setting up your account, so it will take a few minutes. And again, as I mentioned, that the whole experience of making this website for free, it's not that good. You will face a lot of difficulties in making something on this platform.
2000 years later.
So here you can see it is now done, and it says that if you don't see your website, it can take up to 72 hours. So let's move to the next process. You have to click on control panel, and this is what you're going to see. So don't worry, it's not spammy. It looks like the most spammiest thing that is out there, but it is genuine. You just have to click on I approve and you'll get an email verification. So my verification is done. So this is the cPanel, how it looks. You have to come down here, and under the software you have to click on Softaculous App Installer. So basically all the apps will be here. And here you come at this PHP page, where you have to choose which PHP you'll use to build your website. So of course we will be using WordPress. So I've choose the admin username. I leave the password as it is because I'm just using it as an example. You can change the password, whatever password you may like. This is going to be the default WordPress thing. You can change it. I'll keep it as it is because we are going to change it in the future. Alright, so our WordPress is installing now. So our WordPress is installed. Now one keynote to take notice of here is that our domain is HTTP, not HTTPS, as usually you see that there is an S after HTTP. So The S is actually stands for security. So you have to get an SSL certificate for that. So Infinity Field provides you a free SSL software. I'll make a short video on that, on how you can get a free SSL certificate using Infinity Free. So it will be there in the I button or maybe in the description. Let's move to the next step. So as you can see that our website is not showing, as it was mentioned that it could take up to 72 hours. So I'll just wait and I'll come back when it will be visible. So here we come back, and as you can see, I've made another website. Makes per click will take a lot of time. So here we are back. So this is what you are going to see after clicking on login. And as you can see, this is the dashboard of WordPress. So you have your website ready, and I'll just click on this, and this is your website complete. So yeah, so here you have your website ready. And as you can see, if you go to this WordPress interface, you will find pages. Go to all page and you can make certain changes on all the pages that is there. So as you can see, this is the page and I can make changes on it as I want. So yeah, but there is a lot more customization that you can do using WordPress, which I'm gonna make a video on very soon, and I'll paste it in the I button, or it will be there at the end of the video. So make sure that you hit on the subscribe button if you don't want to miss that video. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll meet you in the next one. And do let me know in the comment section if you like the entry that I did, or if you like the previous green screen, or if you like this corner of my room. Let me know. I am just starting out, so I am experimenting a lot. So bye bye. I'll meet you in the next one.